fishing vessel on fire, 16 crew rescued, Indian Ocean. Tuna fishing vessel TENN Ming Yang No. 268 issued distress signal at around 0430 on May 7, reporting fire on board, 16 crew going to life rafts, and requesting immediate assistance. Vessel was in vicinity 3454 S04150 Indian Ocean, some 630 nanometers E of Durban, South Africa. MRCC Cape Town and MRCC Taiwan were alerted. MRC Cape Town requested all ships in the area to respond and assist. Nearest to distressed longliner ship responded and steamed to rescue. At around 07:00 call 16 fishermen were picked up from life raft, in good health. TENN Ming Yang No. 268 according to latest updates, is still burning, and slowly sinking. Tuna fishing vessel, longliner, TENN Ming Yang No. 268, call sign BJ 4839, GT 100, built 2005, flag Taiwan.